guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you all my fidget toys. I have lots of fidget toys and I would like to share them with you. Starting off with my pop tubes. I have 8 pop tubes and they are all right here. Let's stretch one. We'll stretch the yellow one. Stretches really good. Starting off next with the squishies. I have 5 total of little squishies. So I have this cake one, as you see, super squishy. And I have this mermaid one, and super squishy. And I got this little milkshake panda bear, kind of squishy, super squishy. This narwhal one, cute and squishy. And this llama, cute and squishy. And this little cake, cute and squishy. Next, I will be doing my puppets. I have 3 puppets, and I have this square basic puppet. And it's kind of hard to pop because the little pops keep on, like, sometimes, I don't know, like, pop back up and stuff. And then next I have this circled basic puppet. Pops very good. And I got this unicorn puppet, and I love it also. Pops very good. And yeah, and I want to show you my squishy balls. And yeah. Alrighty, so I got this little tomato stress water balls thing. And I got this really cute pink ball that squishes. You can see the sparkles in there. And I got this DNA ball. And I know this isn't a squishy ball, but it's a ball. It's a basketball ball. So it's a ball, I guess, but not a squishy ball. It's kind of squishy, but not squishy. I got this super cute little bear that has Orbeez inside and some other kinds of things that are really little. And here he is. He's super cute. And he's super cute. It's just cute. It's a little bear. How could it not be cute? And now we're starting with my little thing that's like, I don't know, like some kind of timer machine thing. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I got it from Silver Dollar City. And yeah. Next, I'm going to be showing my monkey noodles. Here's a green one. Here is a red, I think like this is orange, like a bright orange. And here is a purple. And here is a pink. And here is a yellow monkey noodle. And a blue monkey noodle. Now I'm going to show you my Simple Dimple flower. Here it is. Pops good. The fidget spinner also. It's like a fidget spinner flower dimple. And yeah. And I will be showing now these little marble things, which are super cute. And yeah, they're quite fun. And I'll show my little squishy, I don't know, like little dog things. Let me show them. Okay, so I got this one. It kind of looks like a butterfly, but no wings. That one, this koala, I think. And this hedgehog, super like sticky but cute. And I got this little panda. And I got this little white elephant here. And this pink unicorn. And this little cute dog I showed you. And this little pig. And I don't know what this is, but it's pink. And I got this little bunny. And these two suns. I have more I'm going to show you in just a second. And these are my last four of these little cute, I don't know what they are, like squishy little animal things. And here's a little cloud. Here's an elephant I have. And here is a bunny. And here is a white unicorn. And now I will be showing my Rubik's Cube. So almost done with the blue and almost done with the yellow. And yeah, let me show this little guy. I got him for Christmas. Little something. His eyes push out when you squeeze him. And this isn't a squishy, but it's a ball, and I forgot to show it. And it's this. I won it from an arcade. This little superhero ball. And I have these two fidget spinners. Sadly, this broke off, whatever like that is. That broke off on that side. I got this one from an ice cream truck for free. And this is my sister's, but she gave it to me. So that one's actually cool. And I'll be showing. Let me get my little kinetic balls out. And here are my kinetic balls. And let me get two. And put one in my hand. And put one right here. Connects. Oh. There. And I got these ones also. They're all kinetic. And here's the pea pots. And boop. Boop. And here's this wacky track. Pretty cool. And I cut open one of these, and I got the marble out, but I did not save the outside. I threw it away, and here's the marble inside. I cut open a green one, and I have these bicycle rings or something, and my last things I got from a library, and I was like, Mom, I see these and I want some. And they were just free. They were out there. I took some. I took a little bit, or should I say a lot. Let me see. Let me see here. I don't know how much I have of these, but this is probably the most of what I have right here. And let me get all of them. And I used this little storage bag I found in the storage. And just in a closet. Almost done getting them. I have lots of these. And they're like, you can connect them, like you can make anything out of them. And let me see here. This is how much I have. Oh, here, so I'm gonna take a blue one and a blue one. And you can put it like that and keep on making cool things. Like you can make that, whatever it is, and you can make this. Don't know what it is. And yeah, those are all my fidgets. And yeah. So yeah, those are all my fidgets. And here are all my fidgets. All right now that I actually just pulled out. So thanks for watching. Bye.